Hi there, James from Webs of Weybridge. Welcome back to another drag race. Sorry for the 2-week layoff. We've been very busy filming the Antique Road Trip. Today we've got the MG B, the winner from the last round, up against the very famous and iconic DeLorean from Back to the Future. We've got two new drivers today, two good friends of mine, Hamish in the MG B and Becca in the DeLorean. So we'll go and introduce them for you.
Hello, it's Becca at Webs of Weybridge here. We've got the DeLorean today. I'm really excited to drive it. Very interesting car. 0 to 60 in 10.5 seconds and weighs in at 1,244. And horsepower we've got is 145. Not sure who's going to win. It's a pretty heavy car, especially compared to the MG B, but I don't know, I'm hoping.
Hi there, Hamish here, guest of Webs of Weybridge. Today we're driving the MG B, which is 0 to 60 in 12 seconds, top speed of 112. It's 920 kilos and bhp is 95. So this has a high bhp, but the weight difference is massive. So I backed this car, that's why I chose it, and that's why Becca's driving the DeLorean. But yeah, we'll see.
And we're away!
DeLorean's too heavy. Not happy.
It seems like the MG B's done it today. Fair play. How was that?
It was a bit of a mission to drive.
Yeah, that's the thing. But this was an absolute dream. I mean, the gears are so short that you just pull through so quickly. Every gear has got so much pull in it, so you can just tear away. I was up into third by the end of it.
Yeah, I mean, this was a struggle to even get out of second. So
Really?
I'd say definitely that is the better car. I mean, this is an absolute beauty, but
Well, it's the one to beat. I mean, I hadn't driven, the last car I drove in this series was, I think, the Triumph Herald. And that compared to this, I mean, that was nippy enough, but this is in a league of its own. So I'm intrigued how it's going to be against the next car, which I think is the Mini Cooper. So that'll be an interesting one.
Interesting.
Yeah.